how to join Modere. If you're watching this video, let me guess, you are ready to join Modere, or maybe you're even thinking about it, but you can't find where to join because when you go to modere.com, you're actually not going to see a link that says come and join our team. And there is a reason for this that I will be explaining in this video. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out. All right, so Modere is a social retail model. What does that mean? That means that you can go to modere.com and it's like you're shopping on Amazon or you're shopping on any online platform, and you're not going to see your typical network marketing, come and join my team, come and join the company, because they really wanted to keep the two separate. We say that there's a place for everybody. There's a place for, customers, which is the modere.com site, and then there's a place for social marketers, which is our shifting retail site. So we do have two separate sites for joining Modere. And so if you do want to join Modere, you'd have to go to the shifting retail site. And I'm going to leave a link in the comments below to message me over on Facebook if you are interested in the opportunity so that you and I can connect and see if it's a good fit for you. But I want to talk to you about Modere and how to join and what happens when you get started. All right. So we have many different kit options to get started. We have the $100 kits, which I say are good kits. You are ready to start selling, but you're not commission qualified. And then we have the better kits, which is the $200 kits that we have. And those are, you are commission qualified, you're ready to get going, you're ready to really crush your business. And then we have the best kit. And those kits are our XM kits. And those are anywhere from $400 to $600. And they come with all these different bonuses. So they come with a shopping spree bonus if you earn the quick start. It also comes with $200 in free credit. And it also comes with our free ticket to our convention. So it has a lot of different perks. It's for those people that are really serious about building their business. That's probably the best kit for you to get started strong, is your XM kit. And again, I'll put a link in the comments for you guys to, chat with me, because it might change by the time you watch this video, but basically that's what it's been for the last several years. And so, I'm going to link also up here a comp plan video to Modere so you can learn a little bit more about the comp plan and why it's a two-sided comp plan and why it makes it so unique and so different than your typical network marketing company, right? We have a two-sided comp plan. We have one side of the comp plan that is for our sales side, where you become like an affiliate of Modere and you earn an affiliate commission, and you can hit the top ranks up to 36% commission just on our affiliate and just by selling our products, and you don't need a team at all. And then we have the other side of our comp plan, which is actually, the team building side. And that's more of the reoccurring income that you would have as a team builder, right? So most people end up marrying the process, but you don't have to, because you can definitely just be an affiliate of our company, sell our products, and earn up to 36% commission. In fact, we have a lot of people that do that and do very, very well just selling our products because they really don't want to be a team leader, which is totally fine. It makes Modere very unique. It makes it very special, very different than your traditional network marketing company. Now, when you're thinking about joining Modere, you definitely want to look at the leader that you're going to sign up for, right? In my opinion, you want somebody that's going to have systems in place for you to be successful. So what do I mean by that? So over here at Modere on my team, what I have is I actually have a Start Strong bot that gives you a 14-day, every single day, daily action plans on what you need to do in order to get organized over here, in order to start your business strong, and in order to make your first sales. And it's literally drip for you every single day. I also have, for the customer side of thing, I've got a customer drip, is what we call it, an email drip, or it's actually on Project Broadcast. So it's a text message that they get when they order our products. We put them into it, and it helps them take their products, and it helps them, be on the track to success using our products, so that you have a reorder rate that's much higher than your typical one, because a lot of people forget to follow up. So I have these systems in place for my team to be successful, and it's actually been a game changer in terms of the success that my team has had. Now, the other thing that you want to look for is you want to make sure that when you're joining Modere, you're looking for a leader that has a ton of training for you. And what we have over here on my team is the top leaders, not just in the company, but in the entire industry, that pour into us, that give us training that people pay thousands of dollars for, that you get free access to when you do join under a top leader like myself, or when you join under me over here at Modere. So again, I'm going to put in the comments a link for you to chat with me to see if Modere is a good fit for you, and to see if our comp plan and how to join would actually benefit you. And hey, this is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe so that you never miss out.